Hi folks, this is Rick from Rick's Review. Welcome back. I want to talk to you today about Android messages and why I like Android messages and the things that I don't like about Android messages. First off, let me tell you how to get it. What you do is you go to the Play Store, download Android messages, install it, and then you come over to your computer and you type in www.messages.android.com and then you download it on your computer. Once you have it downloaded on your computer, you open it up like any other program, and it's going to have onto the right hand corner, it's going to ask you to put in the QR code or to scan the QR code with your cell phone, and it will sync the messages with your cell phone, much like Apple does with their iPhone, and they call it iMessages. If you have iMessages all across the board, whether it be you have an iPad or a Mac or a MacBook Pro or whatever the case may be, those messages will sync with your telephone. Kind of works the same way, but this is just Android's version for now. Now I've been using it for about a year or so now, and I want to give you my review on it. Now I'll also show you on the computer how it's done. Stay with me. Okay folks, now that we've gone to our phone and installed Android messages, and we've gone to our computer or computers and installed Android messages. Okay, when you go to Android homepage, you want to click Remember This Computer. This is what it's going to look like. You want to click Remember This Computer because you want it to always connect to this computer. Now you don't want to do this if you're on computers, say at the library, or on a computer at school. If you go to college, you go to a high school or what have you that has computers. You don't want to do that there. But for your personal computers, whether it be your laptop or your home computers, you want to go ahead and do this to it. Okay, once you've done this, you want to go ahead and go to your phone, open up your phone, and open up the Messages app, the one that you just downloaded. Once you open up the Messages app, it'll ask you if you want to make it the default Messages app. Of course you do. You're going to see 3 bars on the right hand corner of your screen. Click on the 3 bars. Then you're going to see something that looks like this. You want to click on where it says Messages for Web. When you click on Messages for Web, it's going to open up something that looks like this. Then you want to click on the QR scanner. You want to scan the QR code that is on your computer, and you're going to see it start to sync just like that. Once it syncs from there, it'll say it's going to use mobile data, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, who cares, whatever. It's using mobile data. And it's that simple. It syncs everybody that you have in your computer. It's that simple. Now, whenever I send a message, it will come up on my computer. And whenever I receive a message, it will come up on my computer. That way, let's say you wanted to send a message to a friend, you can click on the friend's name, and it's going to have to resync here because I took it off, but it'll resync and everything you type will be there. It's that simple. It works just like you were working with Apple Messages or iMessage. Now my question to you is, if you don't use Apple or iMessages for Apple, do you use this app? Or do you use a different app in order to sync with your computer all of your messages? Please let me know in the comment section what you use, or if you use anything at all. Now the reason why I like it, and a lot of people use iMessages who like it, is because we're sitting at our computer doing a lot of work on our computer. Instead of having to constantly stop touching the keyboard and the mouse to go on our telephone to look at our telephone, plus it's smaller text, you actually get to stay on your computer, use your mouse, and type with your keyboard. Now the only downside is if you want to do voice chat or dictation, you have to hook up a mic to your computer and it will actually take dictation. But other than that, it works great. I really like it, and I've been using it for, like I said, about a year or so now. So I recommend this. Now, if you found value in my video, please give me a thumbs up for this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that little notification bell to be notified of any future videos that I make. And remember, if I can save you a few bucks and make your life easier, I will save you a few bucks.